Yo, 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 yo. Hello! So today, I'm going to teach you how to... No. I'm going to teach you how to get rid of hiccups, but I don't have hiccups, so I'm just going to be faking hiccup. Talking. So fun. I love talking. So, yeah, I'm going to be teaching you how to get rid of hiccups with a special guest star. And, yes. So, stuff. Okay. So, my this is, ooh, editing. Anyway, so this is my three ways of getting rid of your hiccups. Imagine there's a scary person right here. So, the way that always works for me is just a spoonful of sugar. The way that always makes my friends laugh is drinking upside down out of a glass of water. And the way that it's just plain terrifying is the terrifying person. This is my llama. His name is Fred. Okay, so first we're gonna movie magic. Actually, we probably aren't. First, we're gonna just try the upside down glass method. So you are gonna get to see my messy backstage area right over here. This will totally work. Maybe tilt a little bit up. Oh, did you just turn off? No, you didn't. Okay, phew. Okay, so I just turned off, and there. Okay, now me and my glass. I learned this actually from one of my friends who thought it would be fun to watch me choke to death. So I'm just gonna bend over and like die over here. Oh, I got all wet and floors and just realized maybe you wouldn't have been able to see that. That would have sucked because it's like all those websites and stuff that tell you that that's a good way to get rid of hiccups. Actually a good way to commit suicide, so just keep that in mind. You're going to drink water the normal way, like normal people. Now to wash that water down. Wash that water down. Wash that water down. Wash that water down. I have with me my big tub of almost empty, because I drink so much sugar in my coffee and tea. Anyway, I have with me a spoon. Number one is a spoon, and then number two is some sugar here. And really, all you have to do is make sure it's a big scoop. I don't know why this helps. Maybe it helps me ignore them. I don't even know. But I'm gonna grab a spoon, and then I will show you how it works. You just swallow. Don't fall. There. Nope. Nope. There. You can see me totally. So you have a big scoop of sugar, and you just eat it. And try not to get any on your carpeted floor, because then you have to vacuum. And who likes vacuuming? Uh-oh. So, if you have a retainer, take it out before you do this step. Because you're not supposed to have retainers while you eat. And I mean sugar counts. So, yeah, just don't keep your retainer in, but other than that, just eat all the sugar you want. And if your parents come in while you're doing this, just tell them, I have a really bad case of hiccups. Bad. I've got a bad. I have a bad case of hiccups. I can't talk. Whatever. Bad case of hiccups, and they'll just be like, oh, sure, have all the sugar you want. Yep. Just gonna put my retainer back in, and then I'll show you my least favorite way of terrifying myself out of hiccups. Boo. That was terrifying. So I'm holding this camera, so I can't exactly do my outro, but like, bye!